Question 8. The world's largest hedge maze is in the grounds of an English country house known as Longleat. The rectangular maze has 2.7 kilometers of paths flanked by 16,180 yew trees. Okay. The length of the rectangle is 60 times more than its width. Okay. The area of the rectangle is 6,496 meters square. What are the dimensions of the rectangle? Okay, so I see. There's a lot of not useless information, but irrelevant information here. Like 2.7 kilometers of paths. I don't know how that's relevant. Also, there's many yew trees. I don't know how that's relevant either. But I do know that the length of the rectangle is 60 times. If that's the width, then that is W plus 60. And I know that the area is equal to 6,496 meters square. So it's asking me what are the dimensions? What's W and W plus 60? Well, we know that area equals length times width, which means area is equal to, now that's equal to L, right? So it's equal to W plus 60 times W. And then we also know that area is 6,496 equals W plus 60 times W. That's your setup. Now the next part of the work is to use the quadratic equation to solve. We have W squared plus 60W equals 6,496. The rest is just math and algebra. We move that to that side and change the sign. So we have 0 equals W squared plus 60W minus 6,496. Now, your question would be, can I actually factor this? It'd take me a very long time to find two different factors that can both multiply to 6,496 and add up to 60. I'm not going to bother doing that. What I'm going to do is use the quadratic equation. Minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared, 60 squared, minus 4 times 1a times c minus 6,496. All over 2a. So we have minus 60 over 2 plus or minus, what's 60 squared? 3,600. And we're going to end up having a plus because this minus and minus becomes plus. So plus 5,984. We take the square root of that all over 2. Okay, so let's solve. W equals minus 30 plus or minus 564. And let's just verify that makes sense. Ooh, I gave the wrong value. So this is 84. Anyway, just do this in your calculator. You'll see. Just do that in your calculator and you'll see that that is the correct answer over there. All over 2. So let's say this right. What's $172? What's Oh my God, I actually forgot. Oops, Desmos calculator has a proper calculator online. I don't know if the iPad comes with a proper calculator, but I do know that that does, so 29,584. 29584. Do I have to do this first? 29584, 172. That's what I thought. And 172 divided by 2, 86. So W equals minus 30 plus 86, plus or minus 86. So W equals minus 30 minus 86. By the way, this is going to be negative, and I need a positive number for the dimensions of my rectangle. Or W equals minus 30 plus 86, which is equal to 56, which means the length equals 60 plus W, which is equal to 60 plus 56, which is equal to 116. Therefore, the dimensions of the maze